Ladies and gentlemen, what's up y'all? JA. In today's video, we're gonna be doing an early unboxing. So we got the next Yeezy 380 colorway. Joints are called Stone Salt. And when it comes to the 380, a lot of people label them as bricks, but you know how the saying goes, what's one man's bricks, another man's treasure. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these joints together, get my reaction, throw them on feet, and do a slight review. So if you guys enjoy Yeezy content, make sure y'all smash the like button and consider subscribing, but stay tuned for the new video, because it's coming right up next, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Salute to everybody for always tuning in. We got the 380s. We're gonna get straight into the unboxing and let's get this straight out the way. The Yeezy 380 is the anti-hype beast Yeezy. So it's just one of those joints that the resellers tend to stay away from. And it's just one of those Yeezys that you just cop, you know, if you're personally feeling them. So just like the good old days, no resale joints going on with this pair right here. Just if you like them, you know, rock them. It's just kind of how it goes. So you got your 380 box, standard. You guys know how it goes. Stone Salt, size 11. Let's get straight into it, y'all. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These joints are nice. So we're gonna pay some bills real quick. We'll be right back. Don't worry, guys. Stay tuned. But what I need everybody to do is drop your first impressions, and we'll be right back with a detailed review. If you guys are interested in securing the most hype releases for retail from your phone, Addict supports over 85 sites. You got Adidas, Supreme, Kith, Bape, Yeezy, Tier 0 retailers such as Amamanier, Shop Nice Kicks, and many more. They've just announced their new Addict 3.0, and users have been cooking up, having tons of success on all of the latest Yeezy, Jordan, and Supreme releases. Addict very rarely restocks, and when they do, it generally sells out instantly. So make sure you guys sign up at addict.io to get notifications of when Addict will be back in stock. Also, you can click the link in my description down below. So yeah, these joints are very nice. Appropriate colorway leading into the fall. Really feeling these. Now the 380 this year, they toned down the releases somewhat. We got the Yakurai earlier this year, which was an Asia Pacific exclusive release. So those joints were very rare. A lot of people didn't touch them. Then they dropped the Covalites, which kind of sat, you know, it was just kind of one of those Yeezys. If you wanted them, you could have copped them. And they released the Blue Alien, which was a fan favorite amongst a lot of Yeezy purists. So this follow-up colorway, the Stone Salt, like I said, I'm feeling it. These joints are very appropriate for the fall. The 380 in general is just a great sneaker because there's no hype surrounding it. So if you want to cop them, they're generally an easy cop. Similar to the 350, just some subtle differences, a much higher cut, elevated sock liner, and you'll notice an elevated heel area, which to me adds to the comfort. So let's get into this colorway. So on the bottom, as always, you've got your exposed boost. I've been a fan of the bottom of the 380 ever since the Alien debuted. Joints just have that futuristic vibe going on. Now, when it comes to the sole, it's a translucent, you know, dark gray colorway, which kind of is appealing to the sneaker overall. Now, one of the complaints about the Yeezy 380 last year, when they were just pumping these joints out, was that the soles tended not to really match and mesh well with the upper. So I feel like the releases this year, they've been knocking it out the park in terms of that aspect. And with this, it's the same nonetheless. So feeling that. As you transition into the upper, the Yeezy 380 has an intricate knit pattern, which is woven throughout the upper. And you've got the infamous blob, which has a subtle glossy appeal to it. And then you'll notice some holes throughout, which provide to the breathability, you know, that you get with this sneaker. Now, with the laces, you've got the infinity laces. At first, I was feeling that innovation, but over time, you know, I feel like the old school laces just kind of give it an extra layer and a little more character. So I'm kind of torn between, you know, the new lacing system and the old. So in case you're like me and you kind of like that old lacing style, you know, the 380s conveniently come with your extra pair of standard laces that are gray, that match the same gray that you have here with the infinity laces. But it's kind of weird because I also feel like not messing with these joints up by cutting them or whatever. So the Yeezy 380 Stone Salt, like I said, it's a great fall colorway. On the liner area around the sock, you've got a darker color gray. Now, when it comes to sizing, just like you do with the 350s, and pretty much all Yeezys, guys, you're gonna wanna just half size up, because right around that toe box area tends to be slightly tight. As you guys notice, the design is a little more narrow, you know, coming to a point on this sneaker. So in terms of comfort, of course, you got the boost sole. A lot of people say that the 380, these little small tweaks with the design that they made, makes this even more comfortable than the 350. So mentioning that, you have the elevated heel area. And one thing I'm noticing is that, you know, the DNA of this sneaker, we've seen it in future Yeezy models. So for example, as mentioned, that elevated heel, you've seen it on the 700 V3. You even see it on the Foam Runner, as well as the most recent, newest Yeezy silhouette, the Knit Runner. Also, another feature that adds to the comfort that I've noticed in the Knit Runner as well is when you look inside of the opening of this shoe, on the back area, you'll notice this extra padding, which, you know, just makes your foot a lot more comfortable. It kind of wraps to your foot, you know, giving you good traction. And you'll notice that feature is present as well with the new Knit Runner. So it's just interesting to see the DNA from some of these earlier Yeezy models, you know, transition and evolve into the newer silhouettes. So the Yeezy 380 Stone Salt, scheduled to drop currently Monday, September the 18th, which that date could be subject to change. Y'all know how it goes when it comes to Yeezy releases, but this is one of those releases that if you're a reseller, stay far away from this right here. This is just for the personal. So if you're looking for a comfortable sneaker that looks great and has a dope fall colorway, the 380 Stone Salt is definitely the one for you guys. These joints will be retailing at US for $230, dropping again Monday the 18th. So look out for those Monday drops. They like to kind of do them as like surprise releases. Also, coming up this Friday, October the 15th, I will be having a new Decentralized drop going down for my birthday. So this drop will include this new tee in the baby blue colorway. And then we've got 2 hoodies dropping. So you got the stained glass joint in the white, and as well as the black colorway. So just letting y'all know, some of you guys have been asking, you know, where I got these joints from. The Decentralized drop will be going down this Friday, October the 15th. So show some love, support the channel, and just pick up if you're looking for some new drips. So salute to everybody for tuning in for today's video, guys. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you, and I'll see y'all next time. Salute.